Hey, hon, how heavy do you think this is?
25.
It's like 31 or 32.
Wow.
I'm fixing to cut it open. That's the best tasting watermelon I have ever had. I don't know what it is, what kind. But my goodness, it is sweet. I may reconsider about planting watermelons next year. They do take up a lot of room, but wow, they're delicious. These girls have been eyeballing these watermelons for 2 months. Here you go, girls. They love watermelon. They love cantaloupe too. There's a whole lot more where that came from. Don't get tired of it.